Ever been surprised to see your business labeled as high risk by Stripe without really knowing why? That single label can mean frozen payments and stalled growth. Stripe doesn't spell out every industry they consider risky. Instead, they bury broad categories like high risk or restricted content. For coaches, info products, and content creators, that can mean getting flogged even when you've done nothing wrong. Thousands of business owners only find out when their funds are already on hold. EasyPay Direct works differently. They underwrite your account upfront so you know immediately if your business model is approved. And they support it with features like transaction routing and decline recovery, designed to keep your payments flowing smoothly. You even get built in recurring billing for subscription offers, all without the fear of sudden shutdowns. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can explore how it keeps creators and coaches running without the high risk label hanging over them. Getting started is simple. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to secure a merchant account built for content creators. Stable, reliable, and ready to scale with you.